my channel and thank you for watching. Today I am sharing with you how I curl my hair slash like how to properly curl your hair slash a T3 review of the curling iron. I don't know exactly what we're gonna call this yet. Never really do when I film, but this is the T3 single pass curling iron that is the 1.25 inch, I believe, size barrel that I just bought last week. I used it on Tuesday, literally Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Curls. Like full blown, like look like this curls. And it actually was like so crazy that, so the first day I curled my hair, the second day I put just like a little bit of dry shampoo, wore it down again. The third day I wore it half up with more dry shampoo, and then by the day 4, I just like put it in a cute low pony and literally got 4 days of curls out of this curling iron. Like that's how awesome it is. So the thing about the T3 that makes it so cool, I know it is a little bit more expensive, but with the holidays coming up, it might be a really good gift or something that you could save up for or something that you could ask for. It is a little bit more expensive, but I think it's like, so I had to look it up. It's I think tourmaline and ceramic. That is what is in the barrel that they say make sure curls hold for so long, and having used this and had my curls for 4 days, then I can definitely say whatever tourmaline, however you say it, and ceramic mixed together definitely are going to make your hair stay for a very long time. The heat goes up from 260 to 410, and you just change the temperature like that, and it has these 5 little lights. It also blinks when you first plug it in and turn it on, and then once it has like all of them lit up solid, then that's how you know it is like ready to go and heat it up. If you are new here, please make sure to go below and click the subscribe button. Not just for today's video where I'm going to be sharing this curling iron tutorial. I'm also going to share a few more videos this week, but since it is now officially November, I'm going to be chucking my blog and YouTube channel full of gift guides. So you're going to want to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here, especially if you want to see all of the gift guides that I have planned. They are very good. So I am going to quit rambling, but let's just get into today's video. Go below. All right, so starting out, you can see that my hair is pretty straight on its own. I just went ahead and set the curling iron to the highest setting. You could definitely set it lower if you didn't want those curls to last for as long as mine did. I haven't done a lower setting yet because when I curl my hair, I usually want to curl it like once a week and it lasts me for as long as possible. So I set it to the highest setting possible and then clipped my hair up. Definitely make sure that you brush your hair out before you curl it, you guys. I cannot explain that enough. It will just knot your hair into crazy little mess. Next, I separate my hair into about 1 to 2 inch sections. Usually what I do is I'll start in the front with a very small section, and then as I work my way to the back of the head, I get to those thicker sections. Now, I start from the middle and then work my way down. I learned this actually by watching my hairdresser do it years ago. And then I leave 1 inch out at the very bottom because I think it still gives it kind of that wavy look without being like a perfect princess curl, which I cannot stand. Now, if you like the princess curl, then you go ahead, girl, just tuck that last little inch in and you wear your princess curls proudly, but it's just not something that I was going for on this particular day. So the next section is that about 1.5 inch section, and I curl it the exact same way. I will usually leave them in for about 5-ish seconds, I'd say, but once I get to the sections where I'm pulling like 2 inches of hair, I'll leave them in for like 7-ish roughly. It never really is the same thing twice. I just kind of touch the hair to see if it feels like it is all heated up enough. Sometimes it takes more, sometimes it takes less. It's just totally up to you and what your hair can handle, and my hair is very, very thick. And then I just go on to continue to curl my hair the exact same way. I mean, this might have taken me this one side 2 minutes total to curl. This curling iron works very fast. And then I use some Aussie hairspray. This isn't my favorite hairspray, but I'm out right now and I just haven't taken a chance to get to CVS yet to buy more, but you do have to spray it. This is the tip that I absolutely love to do for my curls, especially if you don't want the princess look. It's just to let the curls cool and then pull them apart and kind of just twist them around your fingers. This is going to make them look even more wavy than they did before, and it will also help you see if you need to recurl any sections. Then moving on to the other side, I do it the exact same way, 1 to 2 inch sections, about 5 inches piece
a piece. And then I do just get more precise and careful as I work towards the front of my head. And then that is it for the bottom. You guys, I really do wish I would have timed it and showed it to you. It probably took me less than 5 minutes to do the whole underside of my hair. And like I said, I have extremely thick hair. Next, moving on to the top half of the hair. So this little thing that I'm doing right here, how I'm pulling the hair up and then I'm taking the curling iron and like putting it right up next to my scalp and then curling up, is something that I saw my cousin, who is also my hairdresser, she did this on my wedding day when she was curling my hair. And this kind of gave me just like a little bit more volume before she teased. And so I've started doing it when I curl, and then I noticed that like once I kind of brush out and just like slightly tease that top part of my hair, it teases a whole lot easier. I get a lot more volume for a lot longer time. So that's just something that you can do as well. And then I am finishing up the final side of my hair. So I do take this the most serious when it comes to curling, because this is the one part of my hair that everybody sees, is this front part. So usually I will curl this section a little bit longer before I use hairspray, and then just run my fingers back through it and pull out some of those pieces that either need to be recurled or separated to look more wavy. And I absolutely love the way that the curls even turned out from the beginning, before I like rubbed them all out, brushed some of them out, and then it is all completely finished, and I am so in love with the curls.
Alright guys, and that is it for today's video. I hope that you really enjoyed learning how I curl my hair, learning like how to use the T3 Micro Single Pass Curling Iron. I think it is amazing. It's definitely expensive, but it is so worth the price. Like I said, I have a discount code that I'm sharing with you guys that I don't think I'm supposed to. It will be linked in the description bar below. The curling iron is currently on sale, and then if you use like a 15% off when you sign up for their subscription, then you're gonna get this curling iron for a really, really good price. So make sure that you do it that way if you want to get it for a semi-decent price and not something like super crazy. But please make sure to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that I see you in my next video.